We want to leave the earth a better place than we found it. The sun, it provides warmth, it provides heat, it provides light. And so when I think of solar energy, when I think of what the sun is able to do and that we're not using as much electricity because the sun is coming down on us, and I think that's the way it should be.
The process of getting the solar was very, very easy. I mean, it was so easy, I was surprised. All it was just my signature, and that was it. They came down, they did all the work. I was surprised that I'm really not putting down money for all of this.
Time of use basically elevates the cost of energy at peak times during the day. You want to buy low and sell high. That's essentially what the battery allows me to do. I'm producing power anytime the sun's up, and it's storing power that I'm not consuming and holds it until peak times.
Where we are here in Chicago, ComEd goes up every year. And of course, you have no control over that. But through solar energy and knowing what I'm going to be paying out for electric, hallelujah, that all worked out. And so I'm really glad I did it. You know, our kids may be impacted, our grandchildren may be impacted in years to come because of what we did and did not do. And so when I think of clean energy and to know that I personally have had a part to preserve the earth, that's, as the young people say, that's what's up.